Hello everybody. Today we're going to do the midsummer maintenance on the 2021 Carrier 3.5 ton AC unit. So we've got some cottonwood in there, and that needs to be removed as it continues to stay hot, and I need maximum coil capacity. So I'm going to get the water hose and we're going to get this done. Alright, I got my nozzle that I repaired earlier in the summer. I'm just going to do a gentle stream, try to wash this stuff straight down instead of back into the coil. And I have pulled the disconnect and turned the thermostat off. As you can see, this is a gentle stream of water, so it's not pushing the debris back into the coil. May not get every single piece, but I'm just going for a majority because I'll do the big cleanup in the spring where I take the fan grill and everything off and push everything back out with water. Oh, and I'll show you one more thing. I've got a surprise in here. Oh, look at that. What's in there? I put the Kickstart from the 2003 Carrier in there. So I will dig a recording up of starting this up without it, and then what it sounds like with it. And of course our final touches here. Give it a little quick dry off. We wouldn't want water spots. Let's do the first official startup of the 2021 Carrier 3.5 ton system. Hello everybody, let's do the first AC startup of 2022. Well, can y'all tell a difference? Let me know in the comments. Once again, this has been midsummer maintenance of the 2021 Carrier 3.5 ton unit. Thank you for watching.